let's upcycle. Today I have this denim jacket. It's not mine, it belongs to my friend Jessie. Is my friend taking advantage of my sewing skills?
Yes, she is.
Or am I taking advantage of her wardrobe and making videos on her behalf? Of course I am.
We're helping each other here, eh?
She was telling me the other day that she has 2 denim jackets, and of course she only wears one. They have different shades or different denim colors, but of course if you have one, you're not going to wear the other one. So she said that she was fancying a waistcoat, and if I could do something with this. And of course it's a very easy project. Anyone can do it. You can start by recycling. That's how I started sewing, by upcycling and recycling my clothes. And it's ideal if you have stuff you don't wear, if you have stuff that someone has given you but it doesn't suit your style. The best thing you can do is upcycle it. So let's go ahead. So stay with me until the end, because even though it's an easy project to do, there's a few tricks and tips and we can talk about it. She sent me a few pictures of what she wants the waistcoat to look like, which is basically cutting the sleeves and then fraying this little armhole area. And that's ideal. That's how you start. When you start sewing, that's how you do it. You see something you like and you either can't afford it, or maybe you have something similar, you can upcycle, and that's the way to do it. So all the new sewers out there, all the beginners, that's how you do it. Just copying or inspiring yourself with something. So that's what I'm going to do. And here's the first tip, which is when you're cutting this kind of well, anything. I haven't done this either, so that's a new one for me. I'm going to cut it 2 centimeters away from the armhole area, so in case I need to cut more, I can do it again. It's better to cut twice than to just cut once and miss your target.
I'm keeping the sleeves.
So why do denim jackets have 2 seams? Why? I guess it's so it's stronger, but I don't know. It has the flat fell seams, but in both to open it, no? With one that'll be enough, but I don't know. So now that the jacket is now a waistcoat, we can proceed to fray the armhole area. But don't start fraying just before. Don't start cutting stuff on the garment you're going to transform. Just try first on the sleeves or on a piece of remnant you have, just in case. So I'm trying here, I'm making a few cuts to see if I can fray it, if I need to cut anything, or if it's just taking a few threads out. But if you do that directly on the waistcoat, maybe you ruin it. So first do it on a scrap, and now yes, it does fray. So now that I know it frays, we can do it there. So now that I can see that my fraying will look nice, what I'm doing, I'm just trimming a little bit because I think 2 centimeters is too long, and then I'm making cuts on the grain. So following the grain of the sleeve, the grain of the fabric there, so it's easier to fray. But I'm going to be here forever anyways. And this is going to be messy. Good thing about these things is that you can put some music on and think about your stuff, or call a friend and chat while you do it, because you don't really have to think, or you don't have to focus a lot. Once you decide how to do it, that's it. So that's good as well. It's even relaxing. I don't know why all the threads coming out are the white ones. I thought they will be the ones remaining, but I guess it depends on the, well, of course, because they are white and blue. I guess depending on the ones you take out, of course the other one remains, but it depends on the cut, of course. So because of the cut of the sleeve, the ones remaining are the blue ones. Of course, there are unlimited things you can do to a denim jacket, and it's so rewarding. When you wear it, you'll be so proud. This is how I started sewing. Upcycling stuff, that's how you practice, and it's ideal for a beginner to start with projects like this. Apart from all the personality, all the individuality you're adding to your garments that maybe you haven't found in any style at the shops. So that's perfect and that's ideal. Another thing is that you're not wasting resources, you're not filling the landfill with clothes, and you are making the most out of your wardrobe, of things you've been given, things that don't fit you anymore, things that were forgotten or out of style. Everything, it's all advantages really if you think about it. So just go ahead, just have a look at your wardrobe and see what you have, because I'm sure there's something you can't upcycle, you can upcycle and make it your own and make it useful again. That's the main thing. So with this, it will be finished, and then what you can do if you think it needs it is to trim a bit the edges in case there's one that's too long or there's an area that's too thick. You can trim a few of them, and with that I think I should have finished, but I think it'll be nice to have it a bit worn, like with the fringes. I think it will look nicer with a few scratches all around. So let me see what she thinks.
Shall I wreck it a little bit?
Yes. So I'm going to use any grater I have from the kitchen, and I'm going to try first on one of the sleeves I cut in case I wreck the jacket or whatever you're going to do forever, to see the amount of mess it can make. Quite a bit, so just be aware. And with this, it's done. Like all the upcycling projects, I really enjoy seeing the results, seeing how something you're not using can be useful again, apart from really stylish and with the individuality, with your style in particular you want to create. I love how it looks. I think it will look lovely with a dress, with a puffy sleeve t-shirt like this one, or with, well, with anything really. I think it's a really versatile piece now. And with the punk touches, with the worn things we did, I think it looks amazing as well. So if you like this kind of projects, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, and that way you don't miss anything, because I upload twice a week. And I leave you here a link to other upcycling projects, like the skirt I've been wearing the whole time that used to be a tracksuit bottom, or as well as the scarf I transformed into a dress, jeans and a bag as well. So stick around for a while, because I'm sure you'll find new ideas. Bye!